In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect funding pips to cTrader. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to cTrader.com, and then up top you can see it says Get cTrader. So you want to click on that, and then over here there's this line of text which says you can then go live with a cTrader broker of your choice. So you should click on this text, which is a link, and you're going to get directed to this website over here, which is spotware.com. And then on here you can see there's the features cTrader brokers and prop firms. Now here you can just scroll down and you'll be able to see funding pips over here. So what you want to do here is click on open account. And then once you do this, it's going to take you over here to their website where you can essentially just open an account at Funding Pips. But if you have an account already, you can just scroll down to the bottom. It says already have an account, log in here, click on that, and then you want to put in your credentials. Of course, create an account or sign in if you have it already. And after you do this, you'll successfully be connected with cTrader. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.